Look at this beauty. Rich, glossy, packed with flavor. This is not your regular native sauce. This is comfort. This is aroma. This is everything in one pot. And guess what? I made this on a calm Sunday afternoon for my husband's friends. And let's just say they did not stop talking about it. Before we get into how I made this deliciousness, if you are part of my amazing Cocoa News family, welcome back. And if you are new here, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow. And trust me, you don't want to miss this kind of recipes we create here. Now let's get right into it. So here, I'm starting with my pomo cow skin. I'm just dicing it into bit size. I like to have a mix of textures. So some parts are smaller and some are slightly bigger. Take your time with this process. There is no rush. Cooking is not just about the end result. It's also about enjoying the process. Honestly, this part can be very relaxing. Just you, your knife, and your ingredients. And let me know in the comments, do you like a pomo soft and shining or big and chewy? Because personally, I love a good balance. That chewiness, it eats differently in native sauce. You want to make sure your cuts are clean and even so everything cooks properly. If you are like me, sometimes you just snack on 1 or 2 pieces while cutting. Don't worry, I won't tell anybody. Next up, I am working on my pepper mix. I am adding my combination of peppers into the blender, just enough to give this sauce that rich, bold flavor, to give it that slightly coarse texture. Not too smooth. You want to still feel the pepper in that sauce. Set that aside and let's move to the next. Now I am seasoning my fresh fish. This is going to be served on the side, but trust me, it complements the sauce perfectly. Simple seasoning, nothing too complicated because the sauce itself already has a lot going on. Then I set it aside, ready for grilling. Into my pot, I am adding some palm oil. Once it melts and heats up, I go in with a generous amount of locust beans and chopped onions. At this point, the aroma amazing. This is that moment when anyone walking into your home will immediately know something is seriously cooking. I let this fry for about 5 minutes so all those flavors can properly. I let this fry for 5 minutes so all those flavors can properly develop. Don't rush this step. It is the foundation of your sauce. Next, I am adding my smoked shredded fish into the pot. Stir that in and allow everything to fry together for another few minutes. Then in goes the blended pepper mixture. Once that is the oil, everything just comes alive. Give it a good stir so all the flavors combine beautifully. Now for the good part, I'm adding my eggs right into the sauce. Yes, eggs. This is a fully loaded native sauce. We are not holding back. Stir gently so everything blends nicely. Then I go in with my diced pomo and of course the bigger sliced pomo as well for the extra texture. Mix everything together, cover it and let it cook for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I checked on it and added my nutmeg, bouillon cube and a bit of salt. Now let me tell you something, this is where crayfish comes in. I added crayfish at this point, but my camera didn't capture it, and honestly, that crayfish took the sauce to a whole different level. I covered it again and let it cook for another 10 minutes so everything could come together perfectly. And just like that, our sauce is ready, rich, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. I served this with boiled white rice and beans and paired it with the grilled fish on the side. Trust me, every bite. I served this with boiled white rice and beans and paired it with the grilled fish on the side. Trust me, every bite worth it. Thank you so much for watching my Cocoa Nips. If you're still here, you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch this video to the end. Enjoy every moment, and I'll see you in my next yummy and delicious recipe. Bye.
Dairy, the ultimate thrill. Food lover dairy. Food lover dairy. Food lover dairy. Feel the fun ignite. Love for food so pure, shining all so bright. Creative hearts unite in every bite we take. Bold and innovative, family's sake. Dairy, dairy, let's make it real. Food lover dairy, the ultimate thrill.